progress being made. Several wires and oh, catch my breath. The remnants of several boat owners and a lot of neglect. Shame to see it, but hopefully we'll make it shipshape again. That's our goal. That's my goal, is to make this boat lake-worthy again, water-worthy, get a hull copied, and put it on the water. Alrighty. Another short clip to add to the other one. I don't have anything really balancing it other than centering it along the center line and raise the bow up. I've gotten the stern over the transom, and I need to get the cockpit sole over the transom, and then I'll be able to roll the boat forward. A little harder than I thought. Not terrible, but yeah, definitely could have done it with a couple of different anchor points and maybe had made this a little easier on myself, but I feel I'm doing all right. Anyway,